The Asset Bank CI Hub connector allows users to access approved assets directly within the applications they use day to day. These include Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Figma, Sketch, and WordPress. Let's see it working in Adobe Photoshop first. This is a great example as the connector works in exactly the same way in most other apps. This is the CI Hub interface, and from here I can do lots of things. For example, as well as linking to Asset Bank, I can also link to my favourite stock image sites. But focusing back on Asset Bank, from here I can browse folders, access my lightboxes, or run a search. And search works as it would via the Asset Bank homepage. So for this demo, let's find an image, download it, make changes, and then re-upload this new version back to Asset Bank. So I'll search on travel, find my image. I now simply drag and drop the image to open it in Photoshop. Now, to make this change super clear for demo purposes, I'm going to add a sun to the image. Great, I'm happy with that. I save the image and then upload it to Asset Bank. Once done, the panel refreshes and we can see that the updated file is now visible there. Now let's go and see the file in Asset Bank to see what has happened there. I can actually do this quickly via this handy link that is in the CI Hub panel. Here we can see the new image. If I scroll down, I can also see that we now have a version history, as the process of uploading a new file is non-destructive, retaining the source image by default. Okay, now let's visit another app, this time InDesign, which has additional functionality over and above the core Find, Use and Update features. InDesign also supports a links panel, and this means users can be updated if a file they are using in a project changes in Asset Bank. So let's see how this applies to a project that was already using the desert image that I just made a change to. We open up our InDesign project and we see that one of the files it links to has been modified. Now we can simply click on Update Modified Links for the new file to become visible, but let's hold off on doing that for the purposes of this demo. So here, I've yet to update the link and you can see the old desert image that does not have the sun in it. You can also see a warning letting us know the file is out of date. And if I go to the CI Hub Links panel, I can see which file needs updating. I click on the blue link, I get some options, and I select the original in this case. And now we can see that the file has been updated. So for apps that support this type of links feature, such as InDesign, then CI Hub can provide this extra level of functionality, ensuring the DAM remains a single source of truth for projects that are in progress. Want to know more? Then contact us today and get a free trial for the CI Hub connector.